Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Get it crackin' in the club when you hear the shit. Drop it like it's hot, get the work in that.
Hello guys, this is Myrtle Anne Ramos, the CEO of 𝗨𝗨𝗷𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗃𝗲 and 𝗃𝗍𝗄𝗀 So we'll be doing an unboxing, and this is in celebration of the Bitcoin Pizza Day. And thank you so much, LBANK, for giving this as one of the VIP affiliates of LBANK, guys. So they sent us this. Ang cute, di ba? Pizza kaya to? Is this pizza?
Pepperoni yan.
Pepperoni or bacon? Okay. Ano yun? May nalaglag, guys. Okay, may nalaglag to muna. Tapos di ko na napipindot, no? Okay, letter. So, ito yung letter, guys. Dear Myrtle Ramos, happy Bitcoin Pizza Day. 16 years ago, a simple craving for 2 pizzas changed the course of financial history. Today, as we celebrate that legendary milestone, I wanted to take a moment to celebrate you. Wow, thank you so much, LBANK. Building the Web3 space here in the Philippines is a journey, and your voice, dedication, and support mean the world to us at LBANK. Please accept this exclusive merch as a small token of my gratitude for everything you do for our community. Papaiyak pa, Charles. Let's keep pushing boundaries and growing together. Tumagal sa puso. Charot. Thank you so much, Charles Canal. So Charles is also one of the part of 𝗨𝗨𝗷𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗃𝗲 way back. So now he's the country manager of LBANK Philippines. Congrats, Charles. And thank you so much. Makapagbagbag damdamin. And then this one, drum roll, wala si Miji eh. Wala yung chan natin. So, tingnan natin. Feeling ko hindi naman talaga siya pizza. Uy! What is that? Gagi, sunog yung pizza. Hindi, joke lang. What is that?
Oh, ito.
Color game, guys. Uy, parang mechanical. Ay,
Keychain.
keychain. Meron na naman ako yung sasabit. Kasamahan ng evil eye, guys. Cute! Look! Pizza! Love! Look! Wow! Wow! So, para siya mechanical keyboard, guys. And then this one, what is this?
Ref magnet.
Ref magnet, guys. Dadagdagan na naman ang ating ref magnet. Dalawa. Tatlo. Ref magnet again. Meron ba tong 1 Bitcoin? Tara, para makapagbakasyon. Pagkano rin yung isang Bitcoin ngayon is around 80,000 na yata ulit. 80,000 USD isang Bitcoin, guys. And by the way, the history of Bitcoin Pizza Day is because someone actually purchased a pizza using Bitcoin sa Papa John's Pizza, guys. By the way. So, yun yung history. Kaya, we celebrated May 22nd for Bitcoin Pizza Day. So, fun fact yun. Okay, saan ko sasabit lahat to? I-dominate mo yung rep magnet ko, papamigay ko yung dalawa. And then this one,
Oh, ganda.
a labyrinth of self. Charot.
Parang, maze ba?
Maze ba to? May laman ba tong loob na to? Yung iba kasi may laman eh. Wala nang laman. Sorry, Charles. Kasi yung mga na-receive kong ganito,
May laman
nabubuksan yung ilalim, meron pang laman na surprise. Thank you so much, Charles. Ayan yung original story. Ayan yung sinabi ko rin. Dear LBankers, the single pizza wasn't just a trade, it was the spark that lit the entire crypto revolution. So, the future belongs to those who move first, test the unknown, and enjoy the journey. Trade the hype, own the future. May every trade makes you paldo. Charot, take you one step further. Thank you, LBank team. So this one is sunog na pizza. Joke lang. Kung bored ka sa bahay, syempre, di-display natin to. So, isa siyang maze, guys. Parang sarili lang to. Bakit sarili? Kasi may labyrinth ka rin sa sarili mo, guys, na maze. Kailangan mo i-solve yung bakit ka nag-aano sa patterns, sa mga habits. Relate naman ako dahil dito. Yun lang. Thank you so much, Charles, and the rest of the team of LBANK family. I've known you since I started the space. Thank you so much for supporting my journey as well. And thank you for these goodies. I'll see you again in my next unboxing video. Bye!